Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Windows Server 2022 on VirtualBox. Go to any search engine and search for download Windows Server 2022. Click on first link, that is Windows Server 2022 Evaluation Center. I will keep this link in the video description. Click on this download. See here, click on this download ISO. Our information. Then provide the country name. We have downloads for different languages. In the prerequisites, notice the second point, register, then download and install. This is the evaluation edition, expires in 180 days. After that, you have to purchase licenses from Microsoft. Now click on ISO downloads, click on this 64-bit edition. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. I have already downloaded the same ISO file, so I am cancelling this download. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox, then go through the link provided in the video description. See, left side, these two are the virtual machines. Now click on new, then provide the name. Win 2022. Give any name. Then version, select other. C. In the drop down, we don't have Windows 2022. So select other Windows 64-bit. Then provide the RAM. Here I am giving 4 GB. See here, we must give at least 2GB, 512 minimum 2 GB for server. So I have given 4 GB. Then in hard disk, select create a virtual hard disk now. Then click on create. Hard disk file type, I have chosen virtual hard disk. Here provide the file size. I am giving 100 GB. This is the file location. And storage on hard disk, by default it has selected dynamically allocated. I am not changing. Click on create. See, we have created a virtual machine, but we haven't mounted the downloaded ISO file. Just click on this optical drive, then select choose a disk file, or in the left menu select the virtual machine and click on settings, then storage, then click on this, then click on empty, then drop down, choose a disk file. Both are same. Then select the downloaded Windows Server 2022 Evaluation Edition. Then click on open. Click on OK. See, server, see, ISO file has been mounted successfully. Now click on start to start the installation of Windows Server 2022. Click on start. Here language, time and current format, currency. Here I am going all defaults like language, time and currency format, and keyboard or input method. I am not changing anything. Then click on next. If you want, you can change. See, you can change the time and currency format. Also, you can change the keyboard input method. Click on next. Then click on install. Here we have different options. Here we have to select operating system. Windows Server, standard evaluation, desktop experience, Data Center Evaluation and Data Center Evaluation Desktop Experience. Select any one of them based on requirement. I am going with Windows Server 2022 Data Center Evaluation. Then click on Next. Click on I accept Microsoft license terms. Then click on Next. So I am going with custom install Microsoft Server operating system only. Select the hard disk. Select the drive. This is the drive. Then if you want to create new hard disk, click on this one and provide the size of the disk. Later also we can create the drives. Click on cancel and click on next. See, installing Microsoft Server operating system. Now we have to provide the password for the built-in administrator account. Then click on finish. On your keyboard, click on right control, then delete. Or on keyboard and select insert, control alt delete. Both are same. Provide the password of the administrator account. Click on S to discover my other PCs. Close this one. Click on local server. Wait until this information pops up. See, we have installed Microsoft Windows Server Data Center Evaluation. If you want to change the name of the computer, click on this one. Click on computer name. Then click on change. Then give the name of the computer. But this requires reboot. If you want to add this to domain, select domain and provide the domain name. I don't have any domain. I want to keep it as it is in the workgroup. Click on OK. See here, you must restart your computer to apply these changes. Click on close. At present, I don't want to restart. Click on restart later. If you want to install services, just click on manage, then select add roles and features. Click on next. Here we have to select role-based feature, role-based or feature-based installation or remote desktop services installation. Click on next. Then click on the server. Then click on next. See here, we have different services. Suppose if you want to install web server, select it and click on add features. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. This is the summary. If you click on install, this IIS will be installed. At present, I am not going to install any features. Click on cancel. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install Windows Server 2022 on VirtualBox. This is for 180 days evaluation, trial license. After 180 days, you have to purchase license from Microsoft. For more Windows Server, for more Windows videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. If you want to stop, click on the start, then power, then click on power, then start or restart. I want to shut down. Click on shutdown. Click on continue. It is always recommended to remove this ISO from the drive. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.